Memphis Junction Road number 1 railroad crossing here. And it's the first signal. Sorry if it is a little windy today. It's very windy today because there's storms rolling in tomorrow. So here's the first signal here at Western County Space. Siemens gate mechanism. Here's the emergency information. As you can see, the top there. Series LEDs. There's the back one, and the gate lights are energy lights, as you can see right there. There is a train coming, and I'm holding my tripod because how windy it is today, because it'll probably blow over already by now. So I don't know if but there is a train coming. I don't know if he's lining the siding or not. That signal down there is red. That signal down there, that's red. Signal. Got a Worcester code haste base right here. Siemens gate mechanism. There's the emergency information. Lights are Worcester code haste 12x24 inch lights with Geotech EV series LEDs. The bell is an NEG E bell, and the gate lights are NEG. That way's looking south towards Nashville, Tennessee. That way's looking north towards Louisville, Kentucky. And the signal, that's green, so there's the train coming, so I'm going to have to hold my tripod until it gets here. And I'm probably going to have to hold my tripod while the train passes. So yeah, after this car passes, I'm going to get over to the other side. And there's the Memphis Junction Road railroad crossing, the other one over there for the RJ Corman. So yeah.